Hey guys, my name's Tanner, and I'm your skincare lead for Sephora St. John's. Today we're going to be discussing my secrets for a daytime preventative aging routine for normal to oily skin. So if you want to learn how to balance and treat your skin, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so our first product is going to be the Drunk Elephant Bestie number 9 Jelly Cleanser. And this is an amazing, innovative jelly cleanser that removes all traces of makeup, excess oil, pollution, and grime. We're going to take about a dime size amount and emulsify it with a little water before lightly buffing all over the complexion. I love this cleanser because it rinses away completely, leaving the skin clean and smooth, and it's also free of fragrance, silicones, and irritants. Because it's formulated without any of these harsh ingredients, it'll really help to prevent any premature sagging or loss of elasticity in the skin. Okay, our next product is going to be the Neogen Dermalogy Bio Peel Gauze Peeling Lemon. This is my 100% holy grail peel pad. It contains both a chemical and manual exfoliator that uses natural ingredients to promote clear and bright skin. We're going to start with the crisscross side of the triple layer gauze pad and apply directly on dry skin, using gentle motions to buff away any dead skin cells, while the alpha hydroxy acids, otherwise known as chemical exfoliants, deeply penetrate to dissolve dirt and oil down inside the skin. Then we're going to be flipping to the soft side to sweep away any remaining debris. This gentle but effective formula contains vitamin C and lemon extract for skin brightening benefits and is also cruelty-free. Just make sure you rinse it completely before moving on to your next step. We're going to go ahead and pat it dry before we move on to the next step. So next, we have the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. This is a potent age delay essence powered by kombucha, and the super light consistency delivers concentrated ingredients to protect against pollution, enhance luminosity, replenish moisture, and soften texture. We're going to pour just a small amount into the palm of the hand and gently press all over the complexion. So our next product is going to be Sunday Reilly's CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This is a highly potent, fast-absorbing serum infused with a 15% ultra-stable form of vitamin C. It fights dullness, dark spots, and discolorations while increasing radiance and luminosity. It also helps to reduce the look of redness or skin sensitivity associated with sun exposure. You want to allow any serum about 2 minutes to fully penetrate the skin's surface before layering, so we will move on to the eye area in the meantime. So up next, we have the Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This velvety rich eye cream features a smoothing combination of peptides and brightening vitamin C. The potent antioxidants help to refresh and restore the eye area. It is free of silicones and fragrance and can be applied 360 degrees around the eye. Just make sure you skip the eyelid to prevent oversaturation. Okay, and now we are going to be moving on to the moisturizing step. So we're going to be using Biosciences Squalene plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. This is a weightless moisturizer infused with squalane and probiotic technology to help restore healthy-looking skin and reduce the effects of daily stressors, leaving skin brighter and more balanced. It also calms the look of redness or inflammation while minimizing texture and pore size. This product is non-comedogenic and fragrance-free and is perfect for anyone prone to breakouts or blemishes. We're going to apply this all over the complexion and neck area to make sure we hydrate that as well. So, of course, after treating all of our concerns, we can't forget our complexion protection. I'm going to be going in with the Shiseido Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 42 for face. This is an ultra-light, oil-free facial sunscreen formulated to help control excess sebum while simultaneously guarding against UV rays and oxidation. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a white cast and even functions as a mattifying primer when worn underneath foundation. This product is also non-comedogenic, dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. Shielding the skin from harmful sun exposure will allow your skincare routine to give you the most efficacy and the fastest results. And don't forget the neck. And lastly, we will be using Bite Beauty's Agave Lip Mask in the shade Champagne. This is an intensive lip recovery mask to soothe lips and replenish moisture. It is handcrafted with agave nectar and jojoba oil and is rich and nourishing in nature. It saturates the lips in emollient ingredients to help hydrate and improve the texture of lips so they look healthier and feel softer. Okay guys, so that's it. It's quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks guys, and I'll see you again soon.